Yo, what is up, peeps? In this video, we're going to learn how to set up an Okta Org2Org integration with SAML 2.0. So if you look at my screen here, I have two windows open. The left window is my org1 and it's my source org. And the right window here is my org2 and that's my target org. So we're going to start in org1 and we're going to start the setup of the application by going to Menu, Applications, Browse App Catalog, search for Okta Org2Org, add integration, give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as is. Set the base URL, which is the org2. So we'll put HTTPS and we'll go to org2, top right corner, grab that URL. Please don't forget to insert the HTTPS protocol before the URL. Now we're going to scroll to SAML 2.0 and select it. Scroll down, open up the instructions here. Scroll to number 7. All right, because we need this information. Go back to our org1, and as far as the hub ACS URL and the audience URL, we're going to place placeholders there for now, and that'll just be test.com. And don't forget to add your HTTPS protocol for both URLs. All right, select done. All right, so we've set that up. We got to finish the configuring process. We're going to head over to org2 and we're going to set up the identity provider. So go to Menu, Security, Identity Providers, add identity provider, select SAML 2.0. Next, we're going to name it. We're going to call it Sammy1. You're going to call it Sammy 2.0. All right, so we're going to scroll down to IDP username and we'll select IDP user subject name ID. For account link policy, select automatic, leave the restrictions set to none. Now we're going to scroll to SAML protocol settings. Okay, so if we go back to our instructions that we opened a minute ago, we're going to copy these respective URLs in the right field. So as you can see, it says IDP issuer URI. We're going to place that here because that's what it is, right? And the same thing goes for the SSO URL. Place it here in the SSO field. We're going to download this certificate. Go to browse. Make sure you can view all file formats. And then, yep, add it. All right, we're going to scroll down to destination. So we're done with this. We can go back to our org. As far as the destination, we know that for org1, the destination was org2. Now, the destination for org2 is back to org1. So we're going to go back to org1, go to the top right corner, grab that URL, HTTPS. Remember to always add that and finish. So now we have the ACS URL and the audience URI to plug in to our Okta Org2Org app. So we need to go back to org1, go to sign on the sign on tab, select edit, and where we put those placeholders here, we need to remove them and add these URLs. So the ACS URL is the assertion consumer service URL, and that's here. That goes here. So we'll copy, paste that there, copy, paste that there, select save, and there we have it. That's been set up. So the next thing we need to do is we need to set up an API for the integration. So in org2, we're going to go to Menu, Security, API, set up an API token, create token. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to call this Blessed. Okay. As far as the origination, it can originate from any IP. Copy the token value, go to Provisioning tab in org1, configure integration, enable it, test the token. We're good to go. So we can say okay, save. All right, so the Okta Org2Org integration has been successfully configured. Now we need to set up the provision into the app. So to explain that more thoroughly, org1 is Okta, is acting as Okta. Now this is the app icon. This is going to be org2. So this org is acting as this, which is the application. So we want to push users from here to here. And in order to do that, we need to set up the provision into the app. So where it says provision into app, select edit, and we need to enable create users, update user attributes, and deactivate users, and save that. All right, so that's done. The next thing we need to do is assign this application to a set group. So we're going to go to assignments, assign to groups, information security group. Now at the bottom where it says initial status, make sure it is set to active with pass. Done. All right, so now the information security group has been assigned this org. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to verify that the Okta Org2Org icon is on one of the users' dashboards when they log in. So let's do it. We're going to log out, and we're going to log into Tajal's account. So let's see here. We're going to say gh@gmail.com. All right, password. All right, so now we're in Tajal's account. It shows the Okta Org2Org application icon on her dashboard, which means that the Okta Org2Org integration was set up properly. Now, the next step is to click this icon, but here's the thing. I'm recording with my phone, so I won't be able to set up the Okta Verify account, but I will show you what it looks like once I click this icon. So let's do it. So as you can see, it's asking for Tajal's password again because now she's attempting to log into the dev, right? She's attempting to log into this org, okay? So that being said, I can't set this up just yet because I'm on my phone, but I want to verify something with you to show you that Tajal was pushed from org 1 to org 2. So we're going to go back. We're going to close this out. We're going to log out. And we're going to log back into the admin. Okay. All right, admin. We can close that out. So I just want to confirm something with you. I want to show you what this is looking like on the back end. So if we go to directory and go to people, Tajal is a new user that's been added to this org, right? Tajal was never added to org 2, but we created an org2org application, and Tajal was added to that. Now the objective of the application, the org2org application that we created, was to push the users from here, that's a part of the information systems group, from here to org 2. So we know that Tajal is here. Let's confirm that Tajal has been pushed to org 2. So I'm going to go to org 2, go to menu, directory, people. Tajal shows up in org 2 and is active. So that means that the org2org integration was set up properly. I am really bummed that I can't use my phone to set up the Okta Verify with you guys, but I will do that in another video. But I'm really happy to show you the success of setting up an Okta Org2Org app integration with SAML 2.0. If you have any questions or need some clarity on anything, drop me a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer that. I really hope you gained some value from this video. Stay tuned for more Okta tutorials. Peace. Be blessed.